Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm going to try out some new skincare, some bath products. I really don't feel alright at the moment. I feel quite anxious and I'm not too sure why, but anyway, I'm going to have a bath and I thought this would be the perfect time to try out some new skincare, and I'll run a nice bath and show you what I'm using and stuff. So I'm excited. The first thing I'm going to do is light a candle, and I'm going to take the La Bang coconut and lime candle. I feel like it's quite nice and fresh and it'll be nice for my bath. So I'm just gonna light that now. I do love sweet scents, but I thought something like fresh might make me feel a little bit more calm. I'm just gonna sit over here. Okay, I have so many new products to try. I'm excited. First I have some from Fresh. I have the Soy Face Cleanser, the Rose Face Mask, and the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. I have this Australian Charcoal Clay Mask from Deluxe Skin. I have the Stock Skincare Super Skin Serum. I have the Hill Balm from Do It to try. I have the Derma Love Micro Dart Acne Patches. Don't know if I have any breakouts, but anyway, I may or may not put those on. I have the Do It Vitamin E Face Cream, and I also have the Betty Face 540 Needle Derma Roller. And I've also got some bath products, which we'll get into when it's time for the bath. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. I'm really excited. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser today. I've never tried anything from Fresh, so I'm really excited. Actually, I had one more thing. This is the Armor Pacific Moisture Plumping Nectar Cream. So I'll try that as well. Okay, but first I'm trying this Soy Face Cleanser from Fresh. It says for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. It said for all skin types, it's an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everyday impurities and makeup, even mascara, without stripping the skin of essential moisture. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Oh my god. I know it said gel, but this is not what I was expecting. It feels kind of like, I don't know, it's gel, but it's like very lightweight. It's not too thick. Put that on now. Just rub it in first and then we can emulsify it. It is like foaming up quite nicely, but I'm just gonna wet my hands. Now I'll take it off with my blush off. So I feel like my skin feels quite nice, it doesn't feel strict, which is really nice. Sometimes you'll get a cleanser that makes your face feel like super tight. I don't get that with this. My skin feels quite plump and it just feels quite clean. I don't think I have a like a exfoliant or anything to try, so I'm going to just go straight to a face mask, and I'm going to take the Deluxe Skin Australian Charcoal Clay Mask. This got sent to me from Deluxe. It just says apply evenly to freshly cleansed skin, wait 10 minutes, gently remove with warm water and pat dry, and finish by applying our hydrating moisturizer after mask. So I'm gonna try this, I'm excited. So I'm just taking my little mask brush. I'm gonna put this on. And then while I'm waiting for this to dry, I'll run my bath. I didn't want to run it while I was trying to do this video because then you wouldn't be able to hear anything. Okay, so that's on now. So now I'll show you what I'm going to use in the bath, and then I'll run the bath and have take my mask off and stuff, and then we can jump in the bath. I'm really excited. I really need a relax, you know. So I'm just going to show you the products beforehand, because once again you won't be able to hear me when the actual bath is running. So I have the Lush Butterball Bath Bomb, which I'm going to be using today. And then this is the Candy Cane Bubble Bar, I think. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm also going to use some of the Royal Essence Raspberry Sorbet Bath Crumble. So yeah, I'm going to run that now, and I'll show you what my bath looks like. This is how my bath is looking. It looks so nice, honestly. I love it. I'm so excited to get in. My mask is done now, so I'm going to take that off. Then I'm going to hop in the bath. And then I have some products to try out after my bath as well. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, I'm out of the bath now. That was such a nice bath. And I forgot to tell you guys about the mask. I really liked it. It made my skin feel really nice. I feel like it cleared my blackheads on my nose really well. Like, they don't seem to be as bad as they usually are, which I really do like. Blackheads are like my main problem. Anyway, now I'm gonna try, and I need to open the door. It's too windy. Now I'm trying the Betty Face 500 Needle Derma Roller. It says it smooths fine lines, reduces pigmentation, minimizes light scars, and rejuvenates skin. So it says to spray it with the alcohol first. This one was also sent to me, and they just sent me some of the alcohol. So I'm just gonna spray like a couple sprays on it. Sorry, my bath's draining. It says to go like, divide face into 4 sections. Roll roller derma back and forth in each direction. Okay. It's weird. It doesn't hurt, but you can, I don't even know what it feels like. Like, you can feel the little things, but they don't hurt. Because they're so fine, you know? I hope I'm doing this right. Okay. I don't know how long you're meant to use it before like you see results or whatever, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Honestly, I feel like I didn't notice much, but I don't think this is something you see results on like the first time, you know. So that's fine. After that, it says to apply Serum of Choice and then add a moisturizer. So today I'm going to be trying out the Stock Super Skin Serum. It just says it's suitable for all skin types and it will brighten, tighten and perfect your skin. This was also sent to me. I think that went into my eye. I just missed it. Wow, my skin actually feels so smooth right now. What the hell? Like baby smooth. Wow, I wish you guys could touch my skin. I don't know what part it is, but it's all feeling really nice. I do really like that. Wow, I just really like the way my skin feels. I don't know, it just feels so smooth. Wow, I wish you guys could come over and touch my face. Is that weird? Alright, I have a few like face creamy things. So I have the Lotus Youth, this is from Fresh, sorry, this is the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. And it says it's a universal daily moisturizer. Then I also have the Amore Pacific Moisture Plumping Nectar Cream. It says the cream that moisturizes and improves the look of skin, lacking resilience due to dryness with bamboo nectar for hydrated firm skin. And I also have the one from Jewett, which says vitamin E face cream, used twice daily or when skin feels dry and depleted. I think I'm going to try the Amore Pacific one. I got this in my Mecca Beauty loot box, but it just like, it intrigues me. So this is how it looks. It's just like a little sample size, but I'm excited to try it out. It smells just kind of like moisturizer. It's quite thick. Okay. I'm gonna, oh my god. I think I put way too much on. Okay, note to self. You do not need much with this, like it's very thick, it goes a long way. My cheeks just feel so smooth, guys. I feel like this is like the nicest my skin has looked for a long time. I wish I was under the beauty light so you guys could see, but I'm gonna try and like zoom in and show. Like, come on, focus. Oh my god, see if it's not gonna focus. Can you guys see like just how smooth my skin looks? I really want you guys to see like, because I have barely any blackheads. This is a bit of mask if you're wondering what that is. All of my blackheads are like gone pretty much. Oh my god, I just really like the way that my skin looks. It feels so nice. I realised that one of the things I wanted to try out was the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream, and then I put all my clothes on. So I can't, but I will put some on my arms. This smells so good. I think I like this one better than the Coco Cabana. I also got this one in the Mecca Beauty loot box, so I thought that was really cool. I'm just gonna put some on my arms. I do really like the formula of this, like, well, I do with the Coco Cabana one anyway. It's just more scent preference, and I love this scent so much. But yeah, this is my first time trying the Bum Cream. Or Boom Boom. It smells so good and it feels amazing. You guys need to try and check it out because it's so good. Okay, and then the last thing I have to try is the Do It Foot and Heel Balm. So I'm gonna like go off camera. I'm gonna put this on because I feel like it'd be weird if I put it on camera. And then I will tell you, like, I'll come back, we'll talk about everything that I tried out today. Yeah, I'm gonna go put this heel cream on. Okay, first thing I'll say is they say it's not greasy, but I'm like slipping over on my bathroom floor right now, so. Okay, let's talk about. So the first thing we tried was the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I really like this. I think this will be something that I use like all the time. And I think I will repurchase the full size because I did really like the way it made my skin feel. So yeah, I do really like this. I love the mask. I think it works so well for my blackheads. Like I just am blowing out because they are such a problem area for me. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. The little needle roller, I don't know yet because the thing is, as I said, I feel like it's something you need to do over time, but first impression, like my skin feels really soft, and I don't know if it's just a coincidence or like if it's because of this or what, but it feels so nice. And I'll definitely keep trying it out and let you guys know what I think. It doesn't hurt or anything though. I was worried about it hurting, but it doesn't. Then we have the Super Skin Serum. I did really like this as well. It feels really smooth and nice on my skin. I think I'll definitely keep using this. And I do really like the moisturizer as well. You only need a little bit though. I used way too much. As for bath products, Butterball I tried out before. I do really like it. It's a bath bomb from Lush, but I hate the way it makes me smell afterwards. It gives you like a buttery smell and it makes me feel weird. But I love the way it makes my skin feel. I just hate the scent, but that's fine because, you know, I put on moisturizer anyway. Like my Sol de Janeiro one, you can't smell it. So it's like not that big of a deal. I really liked the bath crumble stuff, and I also really liked the bubble bar. I feel like, honestly, Lush and Royal Essence, they're always like on point with their products. I do really, really like them. Both their, yeah, I like Lush's body products, and I really like Royal Essence body products as well as their like candles and stuff. What else did we try out? Oh, the Brazilian Bum Cream. I love it. It smells so good. I love it. And the heel cream, it feels really nice going on. It's one of those ones that you have to see results over time, so I'll see how it goes. But yeah, it feels nice. It felt really nice going on. I feel like my heels really need it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. There are a few things I didn't get around to trying out this time, but don't worry, there'll be more skincare first impressions coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!